Hello, students. Welcome back to another lesson online. Today we will go over exponents. Exponents, I don't know, you probably remember when we use pandas to describe the order of operation, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Well, exponents was kind of excluded, or you had to ignore that because we do not see exponents in fifth grade until now. So let me explain what exponents are. All right. So exponents, if you look at like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's what we call repeated addition, right? I mean, you're adding the same number over and over. But we can simplify, we can represent this problem in a different way, which is 3 times 4. And this is a simplified version of the problem. It's exactly the same thing. It's just saving some time when you write it down. The same happens with repeated multiplication. If you have to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, you can save some time and say, well, you have 3 to the 1, 2, 3, 4th power. 3 to the 4th power, or 3 exponent 4. And that means exactly the same thing. It means that you have the base, number 3, is going to be multiplied by itself 4 times. This is the exponent right there. So for example, if I give you 7 to the second power, what does that mean? It means that you have 7 times 7, which is 49. All right, let me give you another example. If you have 3 to the 5th power, that means that you have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And that is going to be 9. That is going to be 9 times 3. And 9 times 9 is 81 times 3. And 3 times 80 is 240, 243. There you go. Okay, so I hope you like this lesson on exponents. Go ahead and take the test, see how you do. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.